Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we will analyze overall market scenario and discuss what we can expect in the coming sessions in the coming days from the market. So if I talk globally about global market, so Dow gave a closing 2% below and it failed to more than 2%. That is concerning. And if we just go by data, so if we see here, there was a net selling on 26th of November. That was the previous trading session. There was a net selling of 3,491.72 CR. Okay, so this is net selling. And another thing that I just want to show you is currently in Nifty, according to data, there's long unwinding, and in Banknifty, there's short buildup. Okay, and the prices are falling and the OI is increasing, indicating that prices are falling with great interest as of data. And okay, so we will just see what as a trader you can expect in the coming sessions and what shall be your strategies to tackle the market. Okay, so overall index or other index such as this, except pharma, all other indices, all other sectors to be precise, were in red, and that too were more than 2 to 3%. And okay, there's one industry that was hit hard, that was realty, and it fell more than 6.2%. That's quite concerning for the stocks. And if as of now, if you are in profit, okay, so wait until you see a rebound, and okay, we will discuss it. Okay, I'm on a daily time frame of Nifty. Okay, and I've just marked this 1 day high and 1 day low. So as a trader, where you can take entry is below this low, and if you want to be more precise, and if there's a gap down openings directly, then wait until your 15-minute low is broken. Once your first 15-minute low is broken, then you can initiate a trade. If suppose anybody would have taken the trade after this candle right over here, it's a 15-minute low, this one, then you see what you would have got. Okay, so wait for first 15 minutes, then and then only you can initiate a trade. And the support for Nifty as of now is at 16,691 to 16,760. So this is a zone that I've marked which will act as a support for Nifty. And most probably for Nifty it would become difficult to cross this level, and if by any chance there's strong bearishness, then you see the levels below right down over here that would act as a support for Nifty. Okay, so this is for Nifty. There's I don't think so that even if you see some gap opening, we can expect a bearishness, because overall, even globally, there's constant fear of the new spike in the new virus and the new mutant. Okay, so that is quite concerning for everybody, and that would definitely impact Indian markets as well. Okay, until and unless a proper care has been taken by the government, any proper initiative to let not happen what happened in the month of March ending at 2020. Okay, so coming to Bank Nifty, so this you see the 1300 plus. Okay, so that is quite negative. If you see about Bank Nifty, I'll come to an hourly time frame of Bank Nifty, and as again I've marked here low and high, that is daily high and daily low. The next important support would be this level, that is 34,322 for Bank Nifty. If you see some bearishness, wait for first 15 minutes. Do not simply go and enter the trade in the first 15 minutes, even though it may be Nifty, Bank Nifty, or any other stock. Just wait for the first 15 minutes. Once the low is broken with greater bearishness, greater volumes, then you should definitely enter your trade. Okay, see the overall market scenario before you enter any trade. See the banks, if you're trading in Bank Nifty, see what factor is impacting Bank Nifty overall, which stock is in which stock you see a heavy selling. That is quite important. Okay, so this is another support for Bank Nifty as of now, and in between, if I just want to show you, if you can find some good supports, then would be this 200 day moving average at a daily time frame. Okay, so this will act as a support for Bank Nifty, and but if there's a strong bearish momentum, even this 200 day moving average cannot stop it from falling. Okay, since this fear of constant spike in the virus is concerning, so you should definitely watch out for this. Okay, so as of now, market is bearish, overall market is bearish, and you may expect some bearishness in the coming days, okay, until it all goes away. Alright guys, so this was it for the video. If you liked my video, please do share and subscribe with your previous investor friends, and happy trading, and trade very carefully in the coming sessions, okay, and definitely go by the data what the market actually says, okay. So thank you so much, and if you're liking, please do share, subscribe, also comment down in the comment section below what are your thoughts on the overall market, okay. So we'll see you in the next video.